So you hear about the AI revolution all the time, right? It's everywhere. But the real story, the one that's not always on the front page, is about the hidden engine that powers it all. And more importantly, how you can become the architect of that very engine.
Okay, let's really think about this for a second. The whole world is fascinated by what AI models can create and predict. But have you ever stopped to wonder what they all run on? I mean, who is building the massive digital superhighways these things need to operate?
And this is where it gets really interesting, especially if you're already in DevOps or cloud engineering. Because guess what? You're not starting from scratch here. You are already standing right at the front door of the next big thing in infrastructure. Just take a look at this comparison. On the left, you've got the world of traditional DevOps, stuff we know and love. And on the right, AI infrastructure. You see, it's not a totally different universe. It's more like a powerful evolution. You're still doing CI/CD, but now it's for these incredibly complex machine learning models. You're still using containers, sure, but now they have to be beefed up for power-hungry GPUs. And Kubernetes? Oh yeah, it's not just for websites anymore. It's now the conductor for these massive AI training jobs that can take days or even weeks to run. So, to boil it all down, AI infrastructure is that specialized foundation that's built to handle the absolutely unique and immense demands of AI. It's really a mashup of everything we know from DevOps, the cloud, and Kubernetes, but it's all been supercharged and purpose-built for AI at a massive scale. You can think of it as the industrial-grade plumbing for this whole AI revolution. All right, so we've got the what down. Now let's pop the hood and take a look at the how. What are the actual technical pillars that hold this entire thing up and actually bring these AI models to life? This stack here really tells the whole story. Down at the very bottom, you have the cloud and compute layer. Think AWS, Azure, GCP, providing all that raw GPU horsepower. Then, moving up the stack, you've got Kubernetes orchestrating everything, keeping all the pieces in harmony. On top of that, you have MLOps pipelines that automate the entire lifecycle of a model. Then there's specialized observability, which is crucial because you're not just checking CPU usage, you're monitoring for things like model accuracy and data drift. And then layered over all of it is this new, absolutely critical frontier, AI security. Now, this is the part you've probably been waiting for. All of this complex, mission-critical technology, well, it creates a massive, massive demand for people who know what they're doing. So let's talk about the tangible, high-value career opportunities this opens up for you. First up, let's talk about the cornerstone role, the absolute heart of it all, the AI infrastructure engineer. These are the master builders. They're the ones creating and managing the entire platform that data scientists and machine learning engineers rely on every single day to do their magic. And when you look at the skills needed here, it's no surprise, right? It's a direct reflection of that tech stack we just looked at. We're talking deep expertise in Kubernetes, especially when it comes to handling GPUs. You've got to be fluent in one of the big cloud platforms, know your infrastructure as code with Terraform, and have a really solid grip on MLOps tools. It's a powerful and, believe me, incredibly in-demand combination of skills. And because that exact combination of skills is so rare and so critical, the market is responding in a huge way. I mean, just let this number sink in for a moment. The demand is pushing salaries for top talent right to the peak of the tech industry. We're talking top-end annual salaries in India soaring past 40 lakh rupees. Next, let's look at something fascinating and brand new that's just exploding right now. The AI security engineer. Think about it. As AI models literally become the brains of a company, protecting them becomes absolutely mission-critical. I mean, imagine an attacker poisoning the training data for a self-driving car so it starts misidentifying stop signs. That's the kind of risk we're talking about. This field is new and it is hot. So why are we calling this a career goldmine? That's a big claim, I know, but it really just comes down to simple economics. Look, not every company is going to build its own giant AI model from scratch, but every single company that uses AI seriously needs the infrastructure to run it. You combine that with a massive shortage of skilled engineers and huge spending on cloud and GPUs, and what you get is a career path that's not just paying well now, but has guaranteed relevance for many, many years to come. Okay, so you're probably thinking, this sounds amazing, but how do I actually get there? Let's break it down into a real actionable plan. How do you go from where you might be right now to becoming one of these architects of the future? You know, the best part about this whole journey is that if you have a background in DevOps or cloud, you are not starting from zero. Not even close. You've already done step one. You have that solid foundation. The next logical step is to specialize. Start learning how to manage those GPU workloads on Kubernetes. Build some MLOps pipelines. And from there, you can really level up into those super high-value areas like mastering cost optimization for AI and getting deep into AI security. And look, this isn't just some theory we're talking about. This is literally how the biggest tech companies on the planet operate. This quote about Netflix, it says it all. When you're watching a show, that recommendation engine that's deciding what you should watch next, it isn't run by a data scientist. No, it's run, it's scaled, and it's kept alive by a team of AI infrastructure engineers. That's how critical this role is in the real world. So here's the bottom line. Your foundation in cloud and DevOps is the perfect launchpad. The world doesn't just need more people using AI. It desperately needs the architects who can build the world it all runs on. The only question left is, will you be one of them?